Hi everyone, welcome to this video review. My name is Olivia and today I'm going to share everything you need to know about Crystal Restore before you decide to purchase it. I also have some very important alerts, so make sure you pay close attention to what I have to say. The first thing you need to know about Crystal Restore is to be cautious about where you buy it. This product is only available through the official website. To make things easier for you, I've included the link to the official website in the description box below and pinned it in the comments section. What is Crystal Restore and does it actually work? The answer is yes, it really works. Crystal Restore is a groundbreaking supplement designed to stimulate and cleanse the pineal gland. This process can unlock your inner potential and enhance your ability to manifest your desires. Crystal Restore is the world's first formula meticulously created to activate and purify your pineal gland, allowing new pathways of expression to open up. Inspired by a secret formula previously used by the CIA to enhance agent effectiveness, this supplement is now available to the general public. It aims to improve mental clarity, cognitive function, and overall well-being. The formula contains a powerful blend of 7 essential detoxifiers, carefully chosen to remove pollutants from the pineal gland and unleash your full manifestation potential. How to use Crystal Restore for best results. For the best experience and optimal results, it's recommended to purchase at least 3 bottles of Crystal Restore. However, for maximum benefits and cost savings, I personally suggest going for the 6-bottle package, which comes with a significant discount. Stop wasting money on expensive procedures and products that don't work. Instead, give Crystal Restore a try and see the quickest and easiest results you've ever experienced. 100% risk-free guarantee. When you purchase through the official website linked below, you'll have a 365-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try Crystal Restore completely risk-free for an entire year. Now, here's an important warning. Crystal Restore is only sold on the official website. It is not available in pharmacies or other online platforms. Be cautious and make sure to purchase from the official source to avoid counterfeit products. That's why I've provided the link in the description below this video. It's the only place where you can buy the original Crystal Restore. On the official website, you'll find all the detailed information about the product, including testimonials, the full list of ingredients, and much more. Thank you so much for watching. Now, visit the official website and check out the Crystal Restore for yourself. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next review video.